in your database. Okay. And come to see here. So this is 2_char of sys rate. And now what I said, so DDD, it called as what now? Day in the year. DD. Next, D, day in the week. DY, the first three characters of day spelling. DAY, the full name of the day. Okay. So now we can see today. Today means what now? The 5th October 2023. Today is a 278th day out of your 365. And today is the 5th day in out of 31 days in the month. And this is the 5th day in the week. So because Sunday we counting Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 5th day. And Thursday, first three characters, and Thursday entire the spelling. Okay, na? So these are day intervals, right? So continue. One second, guys. Okay, right. Now, so this is day intervals here, and the purpose of these intervals one by one. Okay, and the next one, see this. So next we have here the week intervals. Okay, we want to take now. So day format, and later take your week format intervals now. So here WW, it's nothing but week of the year. So that means yearly how many weeks here? 52 or 4? 52 weeks. Out of 52 weeks, okay, today as per my data, the October 10, sorry, October 5. So this is comes under in which week out of 52 weeks. Okay, na? So that if it was like first week or 10th week or 25th week or 34th week. So which one and which week it is, that will written by WW. And W is going to be say week of month. So it returns in the month. This is which at week, first week, second week, third week, 4, 5. So some months are having 5 weeks, some months are having 4 weeks. So as per the month, it was as per your date. This is comes under which at the week in the month. So that was written by WW. So now these intervals, if I want to use it here, so select to underscore care of what is this sys date and WW or W from dual. So now this is 40th week in the year and first week in the month. Okay. So if you're comparing entire the year, it is okay. It is 40th week, and comparing to the month, it is the first week of this month. Okay, right. After that, we have your quarter. The interval we will go for quarter. So now you can check it out here, the quarter intervals. So quarter format, it representing Q and 1 digit quarter of the year it will returns. And you know that yearly 4 quarters, first quarter, January to March, second quarter, April to June, third quarter, July to September, and fourth, October to December. Okay, now? And this is my interval. And now, as per this day, the 5th October, okay, this date is comes under which at the quarter? It comes under fourth quarter. So now the same thing if I'm going to use, so select to underscore care of sys date and Q from your dual. So now it was written 4. That means present my date comes under fourth quarter in the year. Okay. So these are the date format intervals. But how these intervals we are using in our examples? Uh, let's go for some examples we will discuss now. And so take first example. Write a query to display employees who are joined in 1981 by using to underscore care function. By using to underscore care function. So actually this 1981 already we discussed in 2 levels. One is by using of like operator, we can fetching this. We are using between operator, we are fetching this. So, and now the technique is to underscore care function. So that means the same requirement, we have a different techniques. by using operators, one level of technique between, and like we can fetch our 1981 people. But here what I'm going to do, I'm not using any like operator, I'm not using any between operator. Instead of that, okay, how I can fetch 1981 people means there is a one more way to fetching these values by using of to underscore char. Okay, now so that's why in your interviews, if any interview, if you go database interviews, they're clearly mentioned how I know to find out the 1981 people without using between operator, without using like operator. If this kind of the things they will mention in the question, so you have to think. So between operator, don't use. Like operator, don't use. Then what is the next level? So to underscore char. So somebody is asking, don't use to underscore char and like. Then use between. Don't use between and to underscore char. Then use like. So which they ask in which way you need to find out. There was clearly mentioned to you. Based on that question, that related things you can implement. If you didn't ask anything, just they wanted 1981 people, then you have a three chances. You can use between, you can use like, you can use to underscore char also. Okay, right. These are the different ways to finding of our result. So now here I wanted 1981. Okay, but can you remember in my early classes? Okay, I said here, sir, how I know, sir, these people are joined in 1981. Okay, maybe there is a chances to have these people 1881. The chances to have these people 1781. Chances to have the people 1681. So there may be anything because we have here last two digits only. So that means the last two digits 81, but it may be 18, 17, or 16. Anything is happened. Okay. But now see whether these are which at that means 19th or 18th or 17th or 16th, what it is. Suppose you want to know about it. Then by the help of this to underscore char only, you can see it. First of all, I can see this. And this is practically I'm showing now. In place of sys date, I want to use what now? Higher date. So higher date and later, you can see now I was given year, for example. And you all of you know this year will returns which format is a plain text format. Now you can see your all years are I got it. And these all years are which years? 19 years. Say 1980, 1981, 81, 81, 81, 82, 83, and 81, 82. So that means in my table, whatever these years are there, these are not 17s, these are not 18s, these are 19s. So that I can see it by using of this interval. Suppose in the same 4-digit format, if you want it now, so you can use like what? YYY. Then you can see all are 1980s. 80, 81, 81, 82, etc. So got it? Yeah. So that means you don't have any confusion. Those are 19s only, not 18s. Confirm it now? Suppose you have to use here, suppose in the 2-digit, okay, then I have to go for, it was showing what now? 80, 81, 82 last 2 digits. So that means in your date expression, this is called as a Oracle default date format. But you have to know exactly this year, which year, if the programmer want to know it, is it 1980s, 1780s, 1680s, then you have to use a to underscore char function. With the help of this function, you can find out these are which years. Okay, now? So this is what. So now what I wanted to hear, I wanted 1981 people. Data I want to fetch. But there are three different ways I can use. I can use YY interval, and YY interval returns your day, year in which format? 2 digits format. Next, YYY interval, these are returns 4 digits format. And YER interval, these are returns plain text format. Is it clear now? Formats? So now after that, my requirement I want to fulfill. What is my requirement? Select a star from EMP where to underscore char of. Which column I have to compare? Higher date. Suppose you are careful observe. if are you passing the interval of 4 digits interval, okay, but your comparison value is a 2 digit. Here, careful observe. Actually, this 2 underscore char as per my interval, this function returns my year in the which format? 4-digit format. That means this is the format 1981. So 1981 is equals to what I was given 81. It means that both are not matching. So this is a 4-digit format. This is 2-digit format. So the condition is called as a false. So now if you give it like this, it was showing no rows. Why it was showing no rows? Because your function return value in which format? 4-digit. But your condition comparison value 2 digits. So 4, 2 is never comparing. That's why no rows. Your request is not considered by your Oracle. So that's why what should we do? If, okay, suppose if I given here 2 digits, but I'm sending here 1981 4 digits. Again, problem. Because my 2 underscore char function returns here in last 2-digit format. But your comparison format is 4 digits. Again, here also not consider your request. Is it clear now? So that means what finally the conclude here, which interval are you passing? In the same format of value should be give it. Then only comparing is possible. Okay. Now see. So now I'm giving here, for example, y. So now 1981. Okay. So now 4 digits satisfied? Yes or no? Then you will get a 1981 people. See. How many people are there? 1981, 10 out of 14 employees. So these are the 10 employees joined in 1981. For example, suppose, can I give it here 1881? Is it? Huh? Is it? No, yes, sir. What are you? Huh? Just now I showed all employees are joined in which year? 19. Then how you can say yes, sir? Now it was showing no rows. Because in my table, those people joined in 19s, not 18s. Then how you can consider 18? Because my output, my function is returns. What it was returns? 1981 is my function return value. But are you comparing what? 1881. Condition true or false? So it's not written any value. Understand now? So now, okay. This is one way. Second, YY means how many digits? Should give 2 digits. Then you will get it. 81 people. Suppose you have to give your plain text format. Year. Year means I already taken my years that I just copy paste without any mistake. Okay, 1981. So come out and see the format is YEAR. So it doesn't accept this. So that's why in place of this one, plain text format, give it. So now what is that? 1981. And see, you will get this. Okay, now? So that means what you understand? There is a 3 intervals. Any interval use, which is flexible to you. But any interval you can use. But which interval are you given? Your comparison of value also in the same format. Then only your request will consider by your Oracle and searching, giving some output. Understand now? Clear this example now? Can you try one example now? Okay. Write down. So in the 3 formats, you can use any format which you feel flexible. Okay, na? Right. This is my question and answer. And the same as even though can give YY. And even though we can write into plain text format of a condition. So all are same. Okay, na? All are same. But based on your intervals, conditions values are changed. And below one, try this. Write a query to display employees who are joined in 1980, 1982, 1983. So I want to know the people who are joined in these 3 years. And your time starts now. Can I start time? First example completed, huh? Finish it fastly. Okay. Now take time. Okay. 2 minutes enough now? Okay. Take 3 minutes of time. And online people, you also try this. Online people, you also try. And your time starts now. 3 minutes you can take. Huh? Syntax. Huh? By using two underscore char. Okay. Uh, by using two underscore char. Your wish, you can take any interval. YYYY or YY or YVAR. Anything as your choice. But any one format write down. Don't write three formats. Huh? Time waste. Any one interval use and find out. Completed, huh? Very good. Sit. I will call. 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Complete. Right. And last minute. Online students, you also try. Okay, time up. Who written? Come. Wrong. One by one. One by one. Good. Right, right. Wrong. Not. Wrong. Right, right. Single quotes. Keep it single quotes. Single quotes. Keep it. Right. Mm. Wrong. Wrong. Right. Wrong. Right. They will give in the question. Okay. Uh, what about girls? Come. Wrong. Wrong. When you want to use wrong. Good. Wrong. Hmm? And different rows. Check. Think once. And or which one is different rows? Or okay, na? Okay, good. Not to underscore cat. Is there any operator like that? Uh, don't create your own. Give me pen. Give me pen. Don't create your own. This is not accepted. This is correct, na? Uh, this is correct. Okay, this is wrong. And this is not operator. It is a function. So functions we don't have in the negative manner. Okay, wrong. Here so many people are using R operator. Okay, na? Uh, why are you using R operator? Instead of R operator, in operator is there, na? Why that much lengthy expression? Hmm? Can we write in operator or not? How to write? Select a star from EMP where to underscore care of what? Higher date YY. Okay. Is equals to, or sorry, in operator. Which format I'm taking? 2-digit format. 80. Next, 82. Next, 83. Okay, R operator is also correct, but it was very lengthy expression. 3 conditions we need to write. Okay. So instead of that, in also you can take. So who written R, those people take in also. Okay, all right. And the next one more example. Write a query to display employees who are joined in the month of December, who are joined in the month of December by using to underscore char function. By using to underscore char function. Okay, na? So let me come out and see in my table. Okay, come to my table. So December month, who was there here? Check 1, 2, 3, 4. And one person 1980 December and 1982 December and 1981 December. Okay, na? But here my requirement is December only, but I'm not mention which year. Okay, na? I'm not mention which year. So how to write now? To underscore char of what now? Higher date. Suppose if I'm giving MM will return which format? Digit format. So here, which one? December. December, how much number? 12. So now you can execute. So 1980s December, 82 Decembers, 81s also. All Decembers only we find out. Okay now? Next. Can you try one more? Write a query to display employees. So who are joined in the month of December, in 1981. In 1981 by using to underscore char function. By using to underscore char function. So I want it in the month of December in 1981. So think carefully, slowly write down. Don't hurry, buddy. Okay, na? Online people, you also try this. Your time start now. 3 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Wrong. Last minute. Wrong. Good. 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 Wrong. Good. Time up. Single quotes. Keep it single quotes in the values. Good. Last students. Anybody? Something is missing. Check it out what it was. Girls. Wrong. 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 Right. $81. Check. Wrong. Wrong. Small mistake is that. Check what is that. Girls, no one. Can I call? Huh? White chunni. You come, you come. Blue. Blue color. Ah. Previous example, I asked one thing. What you said. Ah. Ah. What should be here? Condition okay. Ah. Same line na. Ah. Small mistake. Oh. Check it. You. All right. Happy. Come. Here blue. Hmm. Not completed. Huh? Whatever, yeah, you right or not, right, correct or not, this next second. Hmm. Same as second condition also full. Same like this. Huh? But second condition is what now? Year. Hmm. Good. Good try. Come. See, next time I'm not coming. No, sir. Uh-huh. Uh, Everyone equal, na? See, full support. I never leave you. Okay. Uh, See, only the thing is, it's not like I'm not going to be insulting to you, nothing. Just how much you understand subject in the classroom, at least you need to try. That is one practice. That's it. Other than this, there is no intention Nothing was there any intention in this. Okay, na? And this is not for only your batch. You can ask Sudhakar sir, all batches are like this. Okay, na? Not your batch. 2 p.m. batch. Yesterday only. Too much round that batch. 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. also. At least I'm smiling in your class. Maybe good. Their batches I'm not smiling. Very serious. Hey, come here. So that's what. Okay. So that's why don't think negative way. Don't think it's not sir was doing like this is for your purpose only. Because I know all of you, you're not practicing. Okay. Maybe you're not have a time to do practice. No. Okay, good. So maybe you have a time but not practice. Okay. So that's why at least in our class, 1 or 2 examples if you practice now, when you left from this class now, you will be satisfied. Oh, आज मैं कुछ सीख लिया हूँ. Yes or no? Today I learned something. Okay, I can write my own query. That is only for your confident levels will be increased. The first thing. Second thing is what now? How much subject you understand yourself. Second one. Third one is what now? Fairness. Okay. See, if you are not coming and whatever the assignments you're not showing now, that means you are having some fairness. Why you are fear? Tomorrow you are going to be interviews now. At least Sudhakar sir, you know. There, who is that? We don't know. Is unknown person. Yes or no? First time is unknown person or not? Interview. By bad luck, the person is happy mood na. Interview is happy. By bad luck, that person is having a moody na out. Yes or no? That is also one of the luck. If your interview person is a good mood, is asking simple questions, promoted. Okay. If the person is very sincere, na, lot of. You believe or not, one incident I will tell you. One of our student only, he went to SQL interview. So what he thought, okay, interview means maximum how much time they will take, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. But by bad luck for the guy, he went to interview, as usual, morning 10 o'clock, he reached the office. So the people called 10:30 something, they called inside the room. You believe or not, in the room, okay, like cabin, the interview person and the guy, 10:30 started interview. 11:30, 12:30, 1:32. So almost with that only one person, 3.5 hours interview. उसको बहुत भूख लगता है. Time is crossing already, one crossed. But interview is interview because that is our life. Yes or no? 3.5 hours interview. In that interview, almost he was asking 50 questions about database. And asking and getting response is one way, that is one type. But he was saying that what? He was asking question and the query should write on the whiteboard. So that means he gave an marker. So 3 hours is in standing position. That student. Interview is asking question, he was writing query. Right or wrong, none of the matter. But like this, he was asked 50 questions. He attempted 50 questions. Some questions, no, he written. Some questions say, I don't know, sir. Like 3.5 hours, 3 hours in standing position only. Final interview is over. This person said, go to wait outside. Time is 2:30 crossed. He is getting angry to take some food, water, have a water, you drink water. He said that you just wait, later I will call you. So that guy he didn't go outside because if he went outside, suddenly he called na, the person is not available, that is negative mark. Yes or no? So the person is okay, he was thinking like that, okay, yeah, whatever, today one day na, nothing problem. So he managed only with the water. Like 2:30 came outside, then the people called 5 o'clock. So that means 3:30, 4:30, 5. Again 2.5 hours waiting position. So what he did in this 2.5 hours, only drinking water in that company premises only. After 5 o'clock, he called. So he said, very good, but you didn't attend all the questions, but at least you tried 50%. Good. That is one thing. Second one, what he was appreciated, 3 hours standing position without having any fearness. He was very confidently standing in front of him and very confidently was writing on the board. Some people, nothing, very confident. What he knows, very confidently writing. That is second place. Third one is what now? Waiting. 2.5 hours waiting without taking any lunch. That is also one appreciation. So finally, the HR manager selected. This is not myself, I'm not created. One of our student, he came to me next day to the class. This is the situation I faced. I never expected on only database interviews this much or these many hours. I really shocked, sir. By God grace, this is the situation has happened. Then finally, what happened? I got it, sir. How much package? 2.8 lakhs package. So I said, are you okay? Sir, I'm a fresher. It's very enough to me. Later, I will show you my performance. So this is what I'm telling Ma. Okay, that's why don't fear. You're coming to do job means first thing is what now? Fearless. If you have like this, then only you can do job. Otherwise, na, you can't do it. Okay. First thing is slowly avoid your fearness. Okay, that is only one thing. Even the boys also I'm telling. Your English communication coming or not coming, none of the matter. Assignment, how much you completed. So that is only for testing purpose only. Sudhakar sir will do like this. Other than this, there is no other intention in this. Is very clear now? At least per a day, 1 or 2 assignments if you try now, in our 50 to 60 sessions, now see how much confident you will get on the subject. That is only the thing. And you're all are equal. And you know that if anybody stupid fellow comment on you na, I never leave them. They are also very strictly sitting. Okay na? Some girls are fearing, boys are there, they will comment on us. If any stupids, they will do like this na, it's very serious action I will take. Okay na? So be confident, I will support you. You can come with your braveness here, what you return, show. If anybody nonsense talking will come and listen, and if you did, or else you observe like that, inform to me what I want to do. Later, I will do you with my management people. Okay, na? So this kind of support also you have. Okay, girls, understand or not? That's why be brave, leave your fear. Okay, and what you understand, how much you can write and show it. Okay, I'm not beating. You are not children's. I can beat you. Huh? You're all are some professional courses people, some maturity people. Okay, that's it. So just I'm testing your capabilities. That's it. Okay, na clear? Now onwards, be ready, all of you. Yes or no? These are all are equal. Okay, so that's why there is no need to any laughings. There is no need to any comments. Nothing no to do. Okay, so you're all our friends, and we are all are one group of batch students. Happily finish and happily leave. Okay, na? And support to each other. That's it. But don't comment to anyone. Okay, and don't laugh also, because I'm first seriously I'm taking that task. Okay. Anybody tried here? Somebody's tried. But yes, see, simple thing. December month 1981. Both are in the same row, different row, same row. Same row means what I said, AND operator. That is one case. Even though there is a one more easiest manner, okay? What is that easiest way? If you don't know how to write this all the things, then you just don't give a gaps here. Just put it like a y. That's it. Because so many people they're returning, but they're divided into two parts. But all of you open my syntax of 2_char. Open syntax. Open your syntax. Syntax open now. Tell me, in my syntax, how many arguments are there? Two arguments only now. First one is what? Sysdate. Second one is what? Interval. So that means how many arguments? You should also send two arguments. Not if you keep here comma, for example, some people are doing like this comma. Comma means now tell me this function is having how many arguments? That's what. Okay. That's why don't put it any commas or nothing. Directly you can write like this and put it what? Same pattern. First what? Month. What is the month? 12. Next what? Year which format? 4-digit format. 1981. So this is also very simple. Understand na? Either you can use AND operator or else you can write direct method. Write down this is okay. Now can you try one example? Be confident. Right. Write a query to display employees who are joined in second quarter of 1981 by using 2_char. So I want to know about in 1981 second quarter. In the second quarter, who was joined? How many people joined in second quarter? Quarter interval, all of you know, na? Right. And take your time, 3 minutes. And time started now. Online students, you also try this. Think 1 to 2 times the question, understand who are joined in second quarter of 1981. Second quarter means April, May, June. Good, good, good. Wrong. Check. Good, 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 good. Your second quarter means higher date, okay? Higher date na. So Q. Okay. Y. Then here you can do 2. So yeah, this is quarter, this is year. Okay. Right. Good. Good. Here, not necessary to keep this. Okay. Brackets are not needed. Okay. Directly. Good. 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 Why? Good. Who did that? Good. Okay. Why this much here? So, which quarter I'm asking? Second, the put it to. That's it. Year is missing, na? Check it out. First one is wrong. Hmm. Second one is also wrong. Check now. Pen. Okay. Good. Space don't give it, okay, no problem. But that is not single argument. This is what? This is, huh? This is correct, not this, huh? Okay. Right. Okay. Right, guys. Already I show you this one, na? Yes or no? Then what you do it here? The simple I want to change in place of What should we do? Q. That's called as quarter. And okay, the Q is quarter is how much here? Second quarter, I said. In the question only there your answer. Second quarter, which year? That's it. So in second quarter of 1981. So who was joined here? April, May, June. How many people? 3 people joined. Now, so did you understand how these two underscore char can be used? Different intervals, you practice, okay, whatever it was. The next item. So next take a time format intervals. Next take siding time format intervals. So time format, we all of you know here HH, if are using, it will be show in 12 hours format. HH 24 hours format, MI minutes, SS seconds, AM or PM. Okay, na? These are the showing your morning or evening. Completed? Hmm. Okay, right. And these intervals also same as, okay, we are sending now. So select 2 underscore char of sysdate HH HH 24 MI SS, and I'm keeping AM. What it was happen, you can see. So now HH, it's called a 12 hours format. So 12 hours format, how much here? 7. 24 hours format, how much here? 19. How many minutes? How many seconds? I was given AM, is showing to me PM. Okay, na? Right now.